Hi everyone, Scott here from AJ Aircraft. I'm excited to bring you a review of the new 60-inch Laser 230Z, the newest plane in the Laser lineup. As you can see, I've already taken the liberty to sort of unbox it, but as we've grown to expect from AJ Aircraft, another great packing job. The box is reinforced with wood, very good. It should arrive at your home in very safe condition. So let's get started. First we'll go ahead. As you can see in the box, things are very nicely packed, taped down, nothing's loose in the box. Again, great packing job. So let's pull out the fuselage and sort of talk about that briefly. Very nice. Covering is again flawless, very good down, nice canopy, the typical held down with the magnets, and it also hooks on a spot, right up front. Another nice thing is your elevator servo is in the rear. First things that I notice, obviously it's set up for a pull system. The cables are pre-installed, already taped on the outside, so for easy access when installing that. The motor mounts comes with some nice bolts already in there for your motor mounts, blind nutted and reinforced with a little bit of carbon on the front. Also, if you take a look at the bottom of the fuselage, right here along the bottom, there's some nice carbon fiber infused rods in the bottom of the fuselage there. So again, great construction, great covering, looks good right out of the box from a fuselage standpoint. So we'll go ahead and move on to some other aspects of this plane going forward. Alright, well, next is the rudder. Unpack the rudder, you'll see nicely covered, pre-installed CA hinges, so that makes it really nice on one side, pre-glued I should say, and that makes for easy installation. The stab, obviously it's joined together in the middle. You will have to slide in the stabilizer on the one side and use CA to glue that. Pre-cut control horn slots. Again, on the stabilizer, the CA hinges are pre-glued on the one side, so you only have to glue them on the other side. That makes for the centering of the hinge and making sure it's straight. That makes for a really easy, sort of an easy build. So next little cubby of its own here in the box is the wheel pants and the cowl. So again, cowl very much like the bigger lasers. Obviously this is the Patriot scheme, but cowl looks nice and sturdy, very well cut holes. So and obviously you'll be screwing that to the fuselage, just like all the planes in that size. Next we have the wheel pants, individually packed and wrapped, so you don't have to worry about them getting scratched. Nice blue wheel pants, slots pre-cut in them. Let's go ahead and move this over so we can lay out some of these parts. Now let's open the wings. Very nice wing bags. I mean, these wing bags are, a lot of times these handles are very thin. These are nice thick strap handles. These wing bags should last, even though they're foil wing bags, they should last quite a while. I like the fact that they got a holder for your SFGs. So that'll be easy storage and removal and transportation for your SFGs. On this 60, nice large SFGs, pre-drilled. The wings have, let's pull the wings out. The wings have pre-drilled and line nutted holes for the SFGs. Also, your aileron, again, one side is pre-glued already, so that'll make for easy installation of your ailerons. I like the fact that, again, they got a nice little string to pull your servo lead through. Servo holes are pre-cut. Control horn slots are pre-cut. And there's a nice little aluminum thumb screw on the wing here, so that's pretty nice feature. But pretty nice on the wings. And the individual wing bags that they come in, they're a little bit more sturdy than I've seen in the past, as far as if I could put the wing in there correct. A little more sturdy on the wing bags, so go ahead and set that off to the side. On the other wing, same thing, nice covering, everything's pre-cut, half of it's pre-glued, so looks good there. We're going to go ahead and set these wings off to the side. Also on the SFGs, I didn't mention, they come with a little spacer for your clearance between the end of the wing and the aileron end. So nice carbon fiber landing gear. Again, the landing gear is airfoiled, so it's bigger on one side and thinner on the other, so it is directional on which way it goes on the plane. But nice little landing gear there. And then of course we have the accessory pack. Go ahead and move these boxes out of the way. And the accessory pack comes with, one of the things, normal wheels, your landing gear block to cover up your landing gear bolts, some Velcro straps and Velcro for speed controls and receivers. I like that every single one of these bags is very clearly labeled. So here we have hardware for the laser, 60-inch elevator, hardware bag here. They give you some extra hardware, an extra axle, some extra links and whatnot. Hardware for the cowl, hardware bag for the rudder, hardware bag for the wings. Here's your tail wheel and tail wheel assembly. Very similar to other planes. Nice carbon fiber tail wheel with the bolts. All the control horns are carbon fiber. All the pull cable hardware and everything obviously included in there. Another nice thing that you might not see on other kits similar to this is these come with turnbuckles. So even with the smaller size links on the smaller size plane, these come with really nice turnbuckles, and that goes for the elevator and rudder and the ailerons. So these are for the wings. Actually, I take that back. It doesn't come on the rudder because the rudder's pull, so it does come on the elevator, and yeah, that's sort of a nice feature. So all in all, the unboxing of the 60-inch laser is it's a really nice kit. Very well built. Good sound construction. I look forward to this being a great flyer. The prototype already proved to be a great flyer. Look forward to the build videos and much more coming with the 60-inch lasers soon.